Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
If you could just introduce yourself to the jury.
Yes, my name is Corporal Garrett Morris. I'm with Orange County Sheriff's Office
And how long have you been with the Orange County Sheriff's Office?
for 5 years and total time in law enforcement almost 13.
Where did you work in law enforcement before the Orange County Sheriff's Office?
Volusia County Sheriff's Office.
And what is your current job duty?
Currently, I'm a patrol supervisor in our Sector 3, west side of the county.
And what shift are you on?
Midnight shift.
Okay. Did you work last night?
I did.
Okay, so have you just come straight through from that?
Yes, I did.
I want to take you back to May 9th of 2022. Were you working at that time?
Yes, I was.
What was your position then?
At that time, I was a patrol deputy in Sector 2, which is the east side of the county. And I was on midnights as well then.
And did you have occasion on that day around 1:30 a.m. to respond to 2529 Cedar Shores Drive in Orlando?
Yes, I did.
And when you responded to the scene, were you able to locate a victim on scene?
Yes, I did.
Where was he located?
So the victim, when I located him, he was in the driver's seat of I believe, a silver vehicle, and he was with his left foot outside of the vehicle and his right foot inside the vehicle.
Did he appear to be injured?
Yes, he had a gunshot wound to his chest, and he was unresponsive.
Was anyone else near the victim when you arrived?
Yes, the defendant's father was near the victim, and so was the victim's girlfriend.
And what happened from there once you arrived, located the victim, and realized he had a gunshot wound? What did you do?
At that point, I put on my gloves, and I got him out of the vehicle. The defendant's father assisted a little bit, and then I started CPR.
And you started CPR once he was out of the vehicle on the ground?
Yes, I pulled him out of the vehicle into a flat, hard surface, and that's when I began CPR.
Now, as part of anytime you're going to perform CPR and walking into an unusual situation, is it part of your protocol to check for weapons?
Generally speaking, yes. Whenever, if I were to respond to a call where maybe there was somebody who was maybe just overdosed or something like a natural causes, I may not always check for weapons, but whenever, in this case, there's obvious that he had been shot, I check for weapons on whoever I'm in contact with, and in that case, it was the victim.
And did you locate any weapons on or about the victim's person?
No, I did not.
Now, at some point, did fire rescue arrive and take over, I guess, the CPR and life-saving measures from law enforcement?
Yes.
And what happened from there as far as your involvement?
After that, I just assisted in maintaining the crime scene. I put up crime scene tape and held that area around the car until our homicide and forensics units get there.
Now, during this encounter that you've just described, were you equipped with body-worn camera?
Yes, I was.
And was that activated?
Yes, it was.
Have you had a chance to review that body-worn camera prior to today?
I have.
First, I want to show you what's been marked for identification as states composite D. It's 3 photos, or still photos from your body-worn camera. Let the record reflect I'm showing opposing counsel with the marked for identification as states D. Permission to approach?
You may.
I'm showing the witness what's the marked for identification as states D. If you could just look through these and let me know if you recognize them.
Yes, I do recognize them.
Are these still images from your body-worn camera?
Yes, they are.
Are they a fair and accurate depiction of what was captured by your body-worn camera?
Yes, sir.
At this time, the state offers into evidence what's been previously marked for identification as state's composite D.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
What's been marked as States Exhibit D for identification without objection will be received into evidence as States 2.
Commissioner Public, what's marked?
You may.
State's Exhibit 2. All right, what are we looking at here?
That's the victim on the ground with a gunshot wound to his chest. I don't know at which point that was during the CPR, but that was those gloves are me checking his fanny pack for any weapons.
And I know you have a screen in front of you. Are you able to look sort of behind and see the screen behind you? Is that the gunshot wound that you observed?
Yes.
And then this here, is this a fanny pack that he's wearing?
Yes, it was.
And you went inside of that fanny pack?
I did.
And did you locate any weapons or anything of that nature?
No, I did not.
And then, I know it's a little bit blurry, but what are we looking at here in this still image?
That's the victim as I first found and observed him in his car.
Would this be like his leg here?
Yes.
This is inside the driver's compartment.
Yes, that's him sitting in the driver's seat, and I believe his left leg was out of the vehicle, and he was slumped backwards, unresponsive.
And finally, this still image, dark on the screen. It's in evidence. I don't know if you can actually see it here, but again, just to orient, this here area is that's the driver's seat.
I can see the steering wheel and the victim's shirt.
And there's another individual, this picture here, you can see if you're actually holding the photograph. Is that the person that you understood to be the victim's girlfriend?
The female that was there was the victim's girlfriend.
You guys also had an opportunity to review a clip of your body-worn camera from responding to this incident? prior
Yes,
to that?
yes, I have.
Let the record reflect I'm showing the opposing counsel has been marked for identification as states C. Permission to approach?
You may.
Let the record reflect I'm showing the witness has been marked for identification as states C. Could you just take a look at that? Do you recommend it?
Yes, I do.
Is that a disc of your body-worn camera that we reviewed together back in June?
Yes.
Is it fair and accurate?
Yes.
At this time, the state offers the evidence of previously marked for identification as state C.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
What's been marked as State's Exhibit C for identification will be received into evidence as States 3 without objection.
Your Honor, permission to publish once marked?
You may.
Now publishing State's Exhibit 3.
Oh, Jesus. Where's the ambulance officer?
Alright, back up.
Yes, sir.
Back up.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
County 125.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, Lord.
Black male, GSW to the chest, unresponsive, no pulse. I'm going to try to get him out of the car and start CPR.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, come on.
No, man.
Here, grab his legs. Let me get him out. You got him? Yep. Pull him.
He's not breathing no more. He was on his chest.
Okay.
With his head.
Alright, I got his head. Just pull him. Pull him away from the car. Alright, there we go. Give me the light.
I got you.
You guys gonna be able to save him?
So we're gonna try and do mid-mark. Right now I just need you to stand over on the side of the block, alright?
He was on his heart.
Yeah. Yeah, it's open. Wow. Got nothing. There's no guns.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's empty coming in.
And that concludes State's Exhibit 3. Corporal, did all the events we've just discussed, including your response, occur in Orange County, Florida?
Yes, it did.
I don't have any further questions.
Ross?
Good morning, sir. Good, thank you.
I'll just try to piggyback briefly off what you just testified to. Isn't it true you did not search the vehicle for weapons?
Yes, sir, it is. I did not search the vehicle.
And you just saw the video yourself, obviously. Isn't it true the right side passenger door was open?
I believe the girlfriend was standing at the right side passenger door, yes.
So it's fair to say, well, you didn't open the right side passenger door, right?
I didn't go to the right side passenger.
So that's, as far as you believe it was Mr. Payne's girlfriend who opened that door?
Objection calls for speculation.
Sustained.
You have no idea who opened that passenger side door and opened that door?
I do not know who opened that door.
All you know is by the time you arrived, that passenger side door was open, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And Mr. Payne was seated in the driver's side, correct?
Correct.
And there was no other person inside that vehicle at that time, correct?
Correct.
And you didn't search that vehicle, correct?
Correct.
You didn't search Tara Walker's, the victim's girlfriend's car either, did you?
No, sir, I did not.
I have no further questions.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
May the witness be excused.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You can step down.
Thank you, sir.
State, next witness.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, the state calls Hannah Minor. Minor.